Hola, fellow travel and food enthusiasts. We will talk about the 5 most unique dishes of Spanish cuisine that you must try if you visit Spain. Are you ready? Then let's start. And in 5th place is paella. Paella is a traditional Spanish dish that originated in the Valencia region, specifically in the city of Valencia. It is a rice-based dish that is typically cooked in a wide, shallow pan known as a paellera. The main ingredients of paella include rice, saffron, olive oil, and a variety of other ingredients that can vary depending on the region and personal preferences. The cooking process typically involves sautéing the ingredients in olive oil in a specific order to build layers of flavors. The rice is then added, along with the broth or stock, and the dish is cooked slowly until the rice absorbs the liquid and becomes tender. The bottom layer of rice, known as socarrat, should develop a slightly crispy texture, which is highly valued in paella. Overall, paella is a delicious and iconic dish that represents the rich culinary heritage of Spain. 4th place was taken by patatas bravas. The name patatas bravas translates to fierce or brave potatoes, which refers to the spicy nature of the tomato sauce typically served with the dish. Patatas bravas is a classic Spanish tapas dish consisting of fried potatoes served with a spicy tomato sauce and often accompanied by a garlic aioli or mayonnaise. It is a beloved and widely recognized dish in Spain and is commonly enjoyed as a small plate or appetizer. The sauce, known as salsa brava, is the key element that adds a punch of flavor to the dish. It is a spicy tomato-based sauce made with ingredients like tomatoes, garlic, chili peppers, paprika, vinegar, and olive oil. Some variations might include additional ingredients like onions, chorizo, or roasted peppers, which add extra depth of flavor. Whether you're in Spain or exploring Spanish cuisine elsewhere, it's a must-try dish for potato lovers and those who enjoy a bit of spice. Gambas al ajillo is in 3rd place. Gambas al ajillo, also known as garlic shrimp, is a classic Spanish tapas dish that features shrimp cooked in garlic-infused olive oil. It is a simple yet flavorful dish that highlights the natural taste of the shrimp, along with the aromatic notes of garlic. To prepare gambas al ajillo, fresh shrimp are typically used. The shrimp are often left with the shells on, as they add flavor to the dish during cooking. Lemon juice or a splash of white wine is sometimes added at the end to enhance the flavors. The combination of the succulent shrimp, aromatic garlic, and rich olive oil creates a delightful flavor profile that is loved by seafood enthusiasts. Whether you're a seafood lover, gambas al ajillo is a delicious and satisfying dish that showcases the simplicity and wonderful flavors of this traditional Spanish recipe. 2nd place belongs to tortilla española. Tortilla española, also known as Spanish omelette or tortilla de patatas, is a classic and iconic dish in Spanish cuisine. It is a simple yet delicious dish made with eggs, potatoes, onions, and olive oil. The preparation of tortilla española involves slicing potatoes and onions into thin rounds or small dice. The potatoes and onions are then gently fried in olive oil until they become tender and slightly golden. This process is known as poaching or confit, as the ingredients are cooked slowly over low heat to infuse them with flavor. Once the potatoes and onions are cooked, they are strained to remove excess oil. The mixture is then combined with beaten eggs in a bowl, seasoned with salt and pepper, and left to rest for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Its simplicity and versatility make it a beloved dish that is enjoyed by people of all ages in Spain and beyond. It is a staple of Spanish home cooking and can be found in restaurants, bars, and cafes throughout the country. The 1st place was taken by Gazpacho. Gazpacho is a refreshing and chilled soup that originated in the Andalusian region of Spain. The main ingredients of gazpacho are ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, onions, garlic, olive oil, vinegar, and bread. These ingredients are blended together until smooth, resulting in a vibrant and flavorful soup. Gazpacho is known for its bright red color, which comes from the ripe tomatoes used as its base. The soup has a tangy and slightly sweet taste with a hint of garlic and the fresh notes of the vegetables. The olive oil adds richness and a smooth texture to the soup. Gazpacho is not only a refreshing and flavorful dish, but also a nutritious one. It is low in calories, high in vitamins and antioxidants, and a great source of hydration due to its high water content. Its vibrant colors and fresh flavors make it a delightful addition to any summer menu. As our culinary journey through Spain comes to an end, we reflect on the incredible flavors, artistry, and cultural significance of these 5 iconic Spain dishes. So join us on this captivating our channel as we celebrate the culinary delights of all country cuisines and invite you to embark on your Epicurean adventures in these extraordinary countries. Buen provecho and happy eating!